Diamonds, I could put you in that Birkin. Seen you on the gram, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it in reverse. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, swerving, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, show that you deserve it.
Hopefully this is not a weird setup, even though it is a weird setup for me. Let me close my bathroom door. But I'm finally bringing to you guys some natural hair videos. I washed my hair the other day, basically. You guys know I used my favorite Aussie Moist or whatever. I didn't deep condition it, even though I should have, but I didn't. Why am I breaking out like this? But yeah, so I'm finally bringing you guys some natural hair videos. I'm gonna be doing a curly hair routine. I'm doing my hair for church tomorrow, so I'm gonna be doing it the night before because it's officially cold now in New York, and I don't wanna in Brooklyn, New York, whatever. And I don't wanna walk outside with cold hair because your girl ain't trying to catch no head cold. So hopefully my hair will be dry in the morning. If not, I will always not detangle it. What do you call it? Diffuse it in the morning. But I just took my hair out of 2 braids so I can throw my wig. But now I'm going to be doing a curly hair routine. Like I said, my hair is still long or whatever. You guys can't see me. I'm going to just stretch it down and I'm going to jump for you guys real quick. You ready? So hopefully you catch it. If I catch it, I'm going to just freeze that frame. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Saw that? Alright. Alright, so right now I'm about to just run my hair. What am I about to do? I'm about to run my hair under water, condition it, because you guys know I have to like really style my hair on like soaking wet hair. If I don't style it on soaking wet hair, it's not gonna look good at all. Let me go get the products that I'm gonna be using to style it. I'm going to be using the Design Essentials. This really worked good on my hair. This was the Coconut and Mono Curl and Define Gel. And I couldn't find the cream for it because you guys told me I have to use a cream. I can't just use a gel or whatever. I'm going to be using the Almond and Avocado Curling Cream because you guys told me I have to use I think you guys told me this. I have to use a cream then a gel. Something like that. That's what you guys told me. So it won't be as frizzy. I remember that. Oh no, you guys told me to use that when I'm doing a braid out. You guys told me to do that method when I'm doing a braid out. Hopefully I can still do it now. I don't know. I'm still getting into the curly hair stuff. So right now I'm gonna soak my hair up. And then I'm gonna put some conditioner in it to detangle it. So I'm just gonna go ahead underwater and soak this whole section up. So now that that's somewhat wet, I'm gonna be dripping. I'm dripping OD. Add some conditioner in it. I'm basically like just cold washing it or whatever, so I can detangle it. Okay, so y'all, I have the conditioner in it. You feel me? Like the postpartum shedding has been a little crazy. But when does postpartum shedding stop? Like, I really want to know, because right now I'm 4 months postpartum, and well, I just turned 4 months postpartum, and I need to know, like, when is this gonna stop? Detangling it with my hands before I use the comb, because it's not that tangled. But yeah, so one thing I can say that I still got all my edges. Like, my edges haven't thinned out or anything. But I can just say it's a lot of shedding. And last time you told me, you guys was like, oh, you should detangle your hair while it's wet and damp. I feel like more hair comes out when I detangle it when it's wet and damp, rather than when I detangle it when it's dry. I feel like more hair comes out when it's wet, but like somebody said in the comments, everybody here is different, so everything that you guys do ain't gonna work for me. What you doing?
Nothing.
I'm just trying to like really detangle this side. It's not really tangled like that, y'all, but a little bit. It's a little bit tangled because I was wearing it curly when I first washed it. I detangled it, but I had it curly in a ponytail, of course. I gotta stop wearing these ponytails. I just gotta braid my hair back, y'all. Because me wearing these ponytails is just not it at the moment. Because I just take water, put it on my hair, and then just put it in a ponytail. I don't really do anything with it. So it just sits in a ponytail, getting matted. If you have me on Instagram, you would have saw, y'all. My hair was matted. I'm gonna put the video here, but my hair was matted bad, y'all. It was horrible. So this side is detangled. I'm gonna put some more conditioner in it.
We're supposed to do the wash.
Yeah. I'm gonna put some more conditioner in it and let that sit while I do, look, while I do the other side. I gotta do my hair in sections now. I can't just do it all at one time. This shedding is crazy. But like I said, it's not too crazy, but it's crazy to me. My curls are popping. Like, I love my curls. They're so fire, y'all. They are so fire. Curls are fire. Let me set my your ladder real quick. Well, not your ladder, your stool. So this is how long my hair comes down when it's curly. It comes this far down, and you guys know this is a huge improvement because my curly hair was never ever this long while it's curly. It was never this long while it's curly. And if you straighten it, it's all the way down here. Can you guys see? You guys can see? Hopefully. I can't see, so hopefully you guys can see good. And then we're gonna go into the styling process. You guys, I hope this styling process turned out good. Start off by using, do the curling cream go first or
This one.
the gel go first? I think the cream go first, then it's the gel, right?
Like this.
Yeah, sounds about right. So, start off by using the coconut and mono. Listen, look, because I don't want to repeat myself in the comments, guys. I'm going to start off by using, no, I'm lying. I'm going to start off by using this first. And I've never used this before, so this is going to be my first reaction or whatever. And then I'm going to go ahead and smells good.
It smells.
Smells good, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm going to go in with this. I've used this before and I love the way it was on my hair. I'm going to use that on top of the cream. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair out. Look how popping my curls are, y'all. Like, look how popping they are. I'm going to separate it in half. I just said I don't feel like separating. I still did it. I'm going to just separate that half. I don't have a clip with me right now. So I'm just going to pull that up.
Hot clip.
Oh, no. I don't feel like getting it right now, though. That's what I'm saying. It's good, Lena. I don't need it. I don't need it. So this is my hair right now. I'm going to start off with the cream. I'm going to be heavy with the product. I'm going to be real heavy with the product, y'all. Because my hair be getting frizzy. So I got to go, like, heavy with products. I'm going to be real heavy. You guys saw that was a lot that I used.
This is going to be the brush.
Let me get my ends.
And this is going to be the brush.
They can't see you.
Right here. I can't see nothing.
Yeah, my hair is just like falling out. And now on top, I'm going to use the gel.
See? See me.
Okay. And I'm going to go heavy with the gel also.
So I go be the brush. You're going to brush my...
And then to go to sleep, I'm not going to sleep my AC, which I usually do. I'm going to just put it in a, what you call it? A pineapple, right? That's what y'all call it, right? Or should I braid my hair up, y'all? What should I do? Should I leave it like this?
Yes.
Or should I braid it up? I'm not talking to you. Well, I'm talking to them like they could talk to me.
And you just braid it like this.
And this is it. Just like so, right? That's how y'all leave your hair, right? I feel like this looks so bad, but I guess it'll curl up or whatever. So let me do the next section. Okay, so y'all, this is how one side looks. My camera is overheating right now. It's about to turn off. But this is how one side looks. I might end up just diffusing it like my sister said. So it could be, not OD, but a little bit. So it won't be soaking wet before I go to sleep. But this is how one side looks with product in it. And I'm going to do the other side. My camera's going to turn off on its own. So whenever it turns off, it turns off. Like this. Now we gotta diffuse it because you want me to diffuse it. Okay, so y'all, this is how my hair turned out. I'm absolutely in love with it, right? So like I said, this is my first time diffusing my hair. So this is a Conair. You guys, every product I use is gonna be Conair. Like, I just love Conair. My flat iron, my curling wand, my curling iron, my comb, my brushes, everything is Conair. Blow dry at Conair. So I'm gonna go ahead. I never blow dry my, I never defrost. Why I keep saying defrost? I never diffuse my hair before. I don't know if it should be hot, warm, cold. Oh, duh, it should be hot. And okay, and I think I be seeing them go like. That's all I'm gonna do. My hair is like 70% dry. I don't want to dry OD.
Yeah.
Because I don't want too much heat on my hair, but
Who says?
the heat was too hot, so I put it on warm. That heat was too hot. So yeah, if you guys want to see how my hair turned out for tomorrow for church, just follow me on Instagram so you guys can see the outcome. But I love it so far, y'all. I love this. Like, I'm jacking this look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you want more natural hair videos, let me know down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Twerk it, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain, curving, slurping.